Okay. Hi, Son, Dad, and anyone else who may be watching. Jeez, look at this stuff that lens. Excuse me just a minute. Yeah, that's better. Anyway, right, I thought I'd show you a bit of where I live in spring. Okay, just on his way out. Thankfully the water leak's been fixed. Okay, there's the front of my place. Some of my washing hanging up. There's my car, my taxi, and if you'd like to follow us around a little bit. Oh, I haven't seen those yet. They look quite nice. That's Lindsay's place there. There's the shed I painted a couple of years back. One of them anyway. I'll show you the rest. All the birds are tweeting outside. Bet Donald Trump wishes he had that many tweets. Anyway. It's a nice breezy, bright morning in April. I've not started cutting grass again. Well, at least if they have, it's certainly not convincing. Right. Okay. We'll just have a quick wander around to the part of the garden that I've been working on. Well, I say working on, I've not really done a hell of a lot recently, but certainly not much anyway. I think the daffodils there are just starting to finish off, the ones I put in. Unfortunately, I don't think the Clematises I put in seems to have survived, but hey ho. Other things have, though. You see my yellow broom? That's really coming up now, and that might look like just a stick, but it's actually a lavender, and I think it may well have survived. There's a couple of little buds on it. Hope springs eternal. There's my rose tree. That's really gained height now. I've not had to do anything. The Clematises, they are going absolutely ballistic. I might have to tie them all the way around each other. And there's actually two Japanese maples here instead of one. This one is just growing over, and that's the fig tree I bought and planted for Louise. Still there, and it's starting to show quite a bit of willing actually, so I'm happy with that. Okay, as we press on, we find ourselves in a rather bashed up section, but the apple tree I put in about 9 years ago has definitely come up. The jay flying over there. They've trimmed the hedges. Thankfully, Thankfully, they've not gone arborcidal and taken anything else with it. I've got a kitchen bay tree that I planted here somewhere. I don't know, but yeah, I can remember where the hell it is. Anyway, you can see all the blossoms there from my apple tree and my pear trees. And there's a tall rose there that I forgot I had. And As we press on, these trees, since I cut them back about 3 years back, they're certainly maturing and growing properly. They're certainly out of the way of that van now, which is good. No branches intruding on parking spaces for me. Anyway, I had nothing to do with these put in, they were already here. Anyway, as we press on, little euonymus there. Don't know whether that's one of mine or not, but sorry about the garbage, but I don't think as many of my neighbours are as garden proud as I am. That's Denzel's Norwegian spruce that I scatters his ashes next to. Appropriate, given he was a Norwegian forest cat. This is my twisted willow that I bought for £2 about, how many years ago now was it? Maybe about 3? Put that in and it's absolutely lovely. Okay, well, all these bloody colours. I put some daffodil bulbs in along here a while back. The soil's pretty crappy, so I've not been able to do much encouragement with them. I put some plants here, but I think, as I say, the soil's a bit crappy, so whether they've encouraged themselves or not, I'm not sure, but you can see that couch grass in the end of the daffodil. I'm really going to have to wrench all that stuff up. Yeah. Horrible things. Anyway, just a second. Marvellous, isn't it? I painted that shed as well, you know, because I painted all 3 of the major sheds around here, and now I've just got moss growing up it. It looks like I might need to give it another coat at some point. I don't normally go down here as a rule, but you know, I haven't grown veg here for ages. Birch tree's going to have to come out. Squirrel there. Why do people keep putting garbage in the... Oh gee, having said that, I think I'll have that. Anyway, that wants a bit of a dig out. I haven't been in here for a long time. I'll just put some vegetables in there this year. See if I can get anything that's worth giving a damn about. Oh, jeez. There is supposed to be a pathway going along here, a gravelled one, but it's evidently not been getting all these renegade trees growing here. So I might have to yank them buggers out. Flowering cherry there's nice. That's the disused railway siding there. Used to run up towards the viaduct. Oh jeez. I'll kill her when I get the chance. Sorry, my mother made me do this video, and of course I didn't realise how soaking the damn place had been. Just a line of birch trees here. Crikey. I think there's more water than grass in here. We've had lots of April showers and things recently, so it's quite bad. We had a rather big thunderstorm yesterday. I'll have to do something for these, I think.